In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add margin in LibreOffice Writer step by step, so you can quickly control the spacing around your document and make it look more professional. Whether you're working on an essay, a report, a letter, or any other document, adjusting the margins is one of the easiest ways to improve the layout and make sure everything fits exactly the way you want it to. If this tutorial helps you out, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple LibreOffice tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice launches, look at the left side of the Start screen under the Create section. From there, click Writer Document. This will open a new blank document in LibreOffice Writer, which is where we'll adjust the page margins. Now that your Writer document is open, look up at the top menu bar. You'll see several options like File, Edit, View, Insert, and Format. Click Format. This menu contains the page and text settings that let you customize how your document looks. After clicking Format, select Page Style. This is where LibreOffice keeps the page setup options, including the margin settings. Once the Page Style window opens, make sure you are on the Page tab. In this tab, you'll find the section labeled Margins. Here, you can manually set the margins for your document. You'll see separate boxes for top, bottom, left, and right. Enter the values you want based on your assignment, project requirements, or personal preference. For example, you might want wider left and right margins for a cleaner look, or standard margins if you're formatting a formal document. LibreOffice lets you customize each side individually, so you have full control over the page layout. If you're not sure what margin size to use, a common starting point is 1 inch on all sides, but you can change that depending on your needs. The nice thing about LibreOffice Writer is that the change applies instantly to the document page setup, so you don't have to manually adjust each page one by one. Once you've entered the margin values you want, click OK to save the changes. LibreOffice will immediately update your page margins based on the settings you selected. You can now continue typing or formatting your document, and the new layout will stay in place. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to add margin in LibreOffice Writer. It's a quick but very useful skill, especially if you want your documents to look neat, organized, and ready for printing or sharing. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.